Hello learners, hope you all are doing well. Today's topic is from class 12 CBSE. Unit is Ecology and the chapter we are doing today is Organism and Populations, and the specific topic of today's lecture will be population attributes, where we are going to discuss the age pyramids. Right? So if we talk about population, then a population constitutes males plus females, and when they are counted they give a specific ratio. Secondly, in a population there are basically three type of categories. One category is called as pre-reproductive category, which includes generally individuals from 0 to around 14 years. Then comes reproductive category, and this specific category includes people starting from 15 to around 50, and the last one is post reproductive category, in which the people above 50 are considered. So basically these three type of individuals we are going to have focus while we are studying the age pyramids. So how do we draw an age pyramid? So if I talk about age pyramids, what we say, if I am talking about pre-reproductive individuals and that specific category, then we place them in a histogram showing this type of bar. And this histogram is generally drawn on two axes. One axis is x-axis and one is y-axis. Right? So in this axis we are going to write the specific age groups, right? And in the center we are going to draw a line. This side we are going to draw the males and this side we are going to draw the females, right? Okay, so how this whole structure is going to be proceeding here? So on the base we are going to draw a small block like this, and we say okay that this specific blocks are showing the individuals of one age group, and that specific age group is called as pre-reproductive group, and this is going to include starting from 0 up to 14 years. Then the next category of blocks which we are going to draw here are somewhere like this one, and then we say this one here, or we can also draw one more block here like this one. And what we are going to conclude here, that this specific category involves the people which are actually reproductive, and obviously the age is going to start from 15 up to 50. And the last category which we are going to observe here is somewhere like this, and this will be the category of individuals which are post reproductive. Now 0 to 14, these individuals are pre-reproductive, means they are not reproductively mature. Reproductive individuals are reproductively mature, they are going to produce young ones, and post reproductive are those individuals who have lost the capacity to reproduce now. And what we are going to do in between of this diagram or this chart or this histogram, we are going to draw a center line like this here, and we are going to say that yeah, this side we are including male individuals and this side we are including female individuals. Is it clear? Okay, so there are three types of age pyramids which we are going to study. The first type of pyramid is expanding type of age pyramid. The second one will be stable age pyramid, and the last one will be declining age pyramid. Okay, right. Now what actually is going to happen here? If we see the diagrams which I'm going to draw here, then how this structure looks like, whenever we are going to see this expanding type of age pyramid, the structure looks like a pyramid which is sharp from the top and broader from the base. And if we are going to see the next one, which is stable, it is going to show a structure quite like this. And if I'm going to talk about the declining type of age pyramid, then it will be something like this. So basically, if we observe these three structures, the broadest base is seen in the expanding and stable, right? And the narrowest base is seen in the declining type. So sometimes students are asking that when we are saying that the population is expanding, this structure doesn't seems to be expanding here. It is getting narrower and narrower. So this concept today we are going to clarify here. Okay, and for this clarification, I'm going to use some population pyramids from authorized sites. Let us see what those population pyramids are going to explain. So if you have a look on this specific country which I'm showing here, that is Yemen, and you observe the pyramid here, then what we are going to observe, that the base of this pyramid is bit broad, right? And this blue side is actually showing the number of or percentage of males. Obviously number is not included here, this is in percentage, and females are shown here in the pink. And this side is the age group. All right, so how we are going to inference this specific histogram here? What we see, that this specific age group where the individuals are from 0 to 14, these are actually pre-reproductive. These are the individuals which are pre-reproductive. And after that, this 15 to 19 up to so-called, I can say 49, this specific histogram is showing the individuals which are reproductive. This is very, very important. These individuals are what? They are the reproductive one. And the last one which you can see here, these are the post-reproductive. Okay, so why this histogram or this pyramid is called as expanding type? Now, in this specific population, these pre-reproductive individuals and these reproductive individuals, if you just see the number or if you just see the area they are covering, the area is the largest. So these reproductive individuals are going to give birth to the young ones. Am I right? Since their number is large, here you can see, obviously they are going to support the base, means they are going to increase the base here. And those individuals which are present on the base, you can see here, they are going to get mature and will be transferred to the next phase, which is called as a reproductive phase. So in a population where reproductive individuals and reproductive individuals and pre-reproductive individuals are more, obviously coming 10 years this population will show least post reproductive and maximum reproductive individuals, and obviously the population is going to expand. I hope this one is clear. Now let us check one more country here. If okay, I am checking this Honduras here. Now observe this histogram here. Then if we are going to observe this histogram, we see that the reproductive and pre-reproductive individuals number is quite equal, and obviously they are going to make a population which will be quite stable. So when the number of reproductive individuals and pre-reproductive individuals is almost same, then the population is dignified as stable type of population pyramid. And now if I'm talking about, say, Italy, now have a look on this specific pyramid here, that the base which constitute of pre-reproductive. Now these pre-reproductive individuals after 10 years they are going to become, suppose, reproductive, then obviously you can see the number, the percentage of pre-reproductive individuals is less. So they are going to reach here, and have a look on this one which are reproductive and just approaching the post reproductive phase, their number is going to increase, right? So obviously this type of population in the coming year will decline because birth rate is low and the death rate here will be higher. So this type of pyramid is called as the third type, which is called as declining type of age pyramid. I hope the concept of pyramids is clear to you. So I'm just going to pause here, and just I'm going to click some of the countries so that you can observe which one is of which specific category. Now this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. So there is a general idea that some of the Asian countries and maximum of the African countries have generally which type of age pyramid. The age pyramid is generally found in those is expanding type of age pyramid. So you can visit this site. Okay, I'm giving a reference, populationpyramid.net, and have a practice of all these type of questions so that the dots should not be there. Thank you.